Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriria gatigati wekariguri iria bantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kipi kinachokusababisha ukose imani na mimi?
Hivyo vitendo vyako.
Kwa hiyo ndio maana umeamua kunificha kama mkeo anaumwa.
Unasemaje? Nilichokuambia nimemaanisha.
Mimi ninachotaka ni kupona kwa mdogo wangu na si vinginevyo. Kwa hiyo shemeji, tekeleza ulichoambiwa.
Shemeji, yani mimi kuongeza mke wa pili ndio tiba ili mke wangu aweze kupona. Sasa hii ni dawa au ni masharti? Mimi sikutaki kukuoa wewe kwa sababu ya kufanya mapenzi. Lengo la mimi kukuoa wewe ili kumponya mke wangu ambaye ni mgonjwa.
Una uhakika ukinioa mke wako atapona? Na asipopona je? Wairibuya mwancho umurigerira Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo bwenge veni Nyaboga kurasomo na boy manyererio nchengero kwa Catherine Nyaboga na egaya negatia area togo chikokomanya ya mateyemo koru ekinyorukia boy suki ward ya Mariban bunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii nigo erigetyo bokonya anene mono koru asaba Samaria baya erikonyora chibesa chokoira omwana obo India ache konyora obo bwenia kokwana nangina omwana oyu mubasorero asireta Evelyn muntu nigo aerera bunna nigo abeteka goseriwa koruboye eyemagiga yere konyoro sikoibora omwana obwate omochando bwengoro omochando bwa magoro nabo igo bwate obokongu bugokwana
yetanguru kwebali muntu Martin igo na nyometu utigari kero kama simba nimbwata abana batatu kero na nyometu mwana gatatu musaja nigasereti ngachanga mwana inawate shida natemire kumugweni netire chinyagitari na chiri moye Eldoret na chire General na chire Galax natemire kumurwanira kabwato kurwaire bwenkoro gaganiri kena mwire tumoye Eldoret bande tigaganiri chi milioni nechi nutaisan aende gukore operation yenkori akingu sabamongo nye serikali womenyere tugubimo bokongo kuruna gachitege gachibese na temire gutshughulika ngwanda chikonda na tema kumurwanira gubimo bwaira kinasini ali tango kuteresa kwa mukamati nkano gabo isuki wono muchukorone umusikona chitenera boye umusiko yibagachiba kakosana no mugako herundi abana bandi no bakaragacha kabo changu koreta maiso tindi korononye wono mwana yinera gacho umwana tararo kumbo mwana yo igareke wono no twamenyire nerega emiaka ene uyu no yugo tamuntu chagite nere bokonyi bonde mburi ande nke yane gebweto bokong incho monyene mbwate sukari na presa bigo nchanda nono ngusino na singurusia mali ogonko no mwana no mukogoti nere wona gachakure biya akaende skuru oika kirasi sana ibere akachaka gutwara bokomuno ubwokunsi bwenduru pono nere na mali ogagane yakonyi timbwati kende hakintare konyoro usaitisi buranyara gukoni abana aba
Nibone asanya nagendete okwariganirira roboti ru asenchira yoboikiranire Chinsa ibere na boigo Chinsa nyechi obutko bwarero muraibu ensi ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto na barai nigo baikirana ase kaunti ya Homa Bay ase birerogo samatanga yokomorera nyagosira omongina fifi asiago ukona ase ebirerebyo Ruto nigo aigerere getambukiro kiaye na raira kyoko bwatana ase boigo ateba nigo eserikali tukuria Jumatatu kigancha gya serikali kirachi gutuma chibesa gocha ase chikaunti ase boiga atebire abasaye gose bande bonsi bari banyorete ogwa kwa chingaki abasaye beke gorgia jenzi bari korobekana nigo barachi konyora ogwa kano koro ase serikali.
As has been said by Baba, we are committed to taking this country to the next level. And it is the reason why we signed the 10-point agenda. And I want to commit that as the head of the executive, that 10-point agenda will be implemented to the letter. The journey towards the implementation of that agenda began. And that is why, because we were very clear about the place of devolution. We not only have paid all the monies that were due by the end of the last financial year, we are also committed that even without the necessary legislation, on Monday, Treasury is going to release the resources for our counties for the month of July. We have also set in motion the discussions on how to enhance allocations to our counties, as we demonstrated in the last budget, where we added an extra 30 billion shillings to our counties. And that is the trajectory that we have agreed upon. As has been said here, we have also put together a 5-member committee to make sure that our administration will implement not just the 10-point agenda, but all the other agreements that we have agreed. That as part of the implementation of the 10-point agenda, today I set up the infrastructure and the mechanism to pay and compensate all those who lost their lives, those who were injured, those who were hospitalized, as part of healing our nation, so that we can bring our nation together and forge and focus our ideas, our energy, and our focus in taking the country into the future.
Moraiwe kiama gya ODM Raila Odinga oyokwana asibirerebyo nigo atogie getambukiro kya boigo kyogoswa imeje serikali na goteba tagweiti ase keria korete no muraiwense kore asengencho nigo babwate ebirengererie bya guchasa abakenya niyo ne inchere yemo yokweneke abuna abakenya nkonyora bari amagendro ase boigo akwaneire emerobiro gose emiremo y'abanyanyimbo na goteba ekirenge kenene ky'abanyanyimbo no korenda amagima y'abakenya na tariko baocherera gose gosiria amagima y'abakenya.
We sacrifice so that it could be peace in this country. And that's the reason why we are here today. I do not regret what we did. We did it in the best interest of our country. And Kenya must move forward. But we have continued to say that we need to improve our governance structure. Issues of human rights must be respected. We must ensure that people live well. We must ensure that our people have food, that our people have shelter, that our people have work, that our people, when they are sick, they can be treated, that our children will go to school. This is very, very important to us. This is a very important indeed. And that the cost of living need to be brought down. And that it must be rule of law. That the security forces are there to protect the people. The police are servants of the people, not masters. The police need to be civil to the population. If you have committed an offense, arrest me, take me to prison, take me to court, and let the court find me guilty and imprison me. But do not use your own weapon to assassinate me. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot to kill. Don't shoot to kill. Don't shoot to maim. Arrest and charge in the court of law. That's what is called rule of law. And we have sat together and reviewed the MOU that we signed last year, this year. And we have now put together a framework to ensure that the MOU is implemented to the letter.
Mwancho murigereria ayomona yanda mange Chinsa ibiri na boigo inyecho butukubwa rero toro burigere burobya tumerere itskore anki.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achebwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingencho ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerungetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green ubutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumuchurigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Wakenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase Chinsa mu buno savings loans obusemye bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali Chinsa chimaiko ase Wakenya pamoja sako yabere ogusira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boyko abonchereria ibotani na Wakenya pamoja sako iryonyore obukureri ubuya ase Chinsa muna obusemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo Wakenya pamoja sako iryubwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya Kisii sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga umosio wa Kenya pamoja sako. Sako ya Wakenya pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko wakira bia soko chora Wakenya pamoja sako kune financial institution yao tobwate chipranchi chito Ikomi na inya chire within usi wanaintu toro konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosebwa ase sake ese walibatara join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeto na gusi yeto esa magendo Wakenya pamoja you our concern.
Hazan mega wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yire ndirebuya nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokoneria ebinto aserigori ryanse kegema asetauni gaya busongo koni bare ebinto asensemo ya electronics na electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chichararani blow dry socket cable bulb bulb holder heater nebinde ebinge phone accessories na charger USB cables earphones wireless ports nechiseme asensemo ya household nkoni bari chisane thermos ebikombe ebirugo chibesin nebinde ebinge asensemo ya cosmetics koni bari body lotion spray air food makeup kits sabuni nebinde ebinge koni bare soda neki juice asensemo elia hardware koni bare power saw generator piano neki amplifier mixer public address systems nyange solar panel naboyigo asensemeri ya stationery koni bare geometrical set irangi jebikoroto chikram calculator rubber neki toy semoyende nkoni bali tissue papers chisavet chidapa sanitary towels neki toothpaste karutari kwiba toothbrush boygonkoni bali fridge agirira unyare kwigurira ebintu biga aserigori ryanse Hazan wholesalers nigo egokora free delivery osinige okoratira ebintu gurite solsao wika asure asorgo ngoronsi rwa Nyanza nige gotoka ase enyumba ya Getembe building ange na smart lady I guess roundabout ya Busongo asa mange kwana na director o Hazan wholesalers ase ogo kairigori na maburi ande amange oratware sin number 0722 2371